Today we are going to react to mixed mashup trailer that is of Mahesh Babu. It was requested to me by Vishal Tuware, and name of the trailer is One Nano Team. It's Mission Impossible Fallout style. I am a great fan of Mission Impossible, and the last movie was Fallout. The music was not up to the mark as compared to the previous ones, which was actually the main music profile which Mission Impossible goes. But suiting the style of Mission Impossible Fallout, the movie, that music was actually suiting that, and the trailer was absolutely amazing when it came out to be. We are going to react to this particular trailer having a Fallout style, Mission Impossible Fallout style. So I'm really excited how this thing will turn out to be. Let's see how that thing goes. But before ending the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel and also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook have been in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start. We have subtitles, so it will be really nice for me to understand, right? Oh yeah, okay.
This causes very severe neuropsychological
Wow, it is suiting him. Yes.
వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్టు ఊహించుకో. వాళ్ళని ఎవరో ముగ్గురు చంపేస్తున్నట్టు, ఆ ముగ్గురు ఇద్దరిని కూడా చంపడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నట్టు ఊహించుకో.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing, amazing.
You know what? ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నిజం అబద్ధం కాదు, నమ్మకం లేకపోతే.
Critics are not speaking Tamil or Telugu or what? Lovely. Amazing, amazing, absolutely fantastic. Yes, yes. Okay. Wow. Amazing.
There comes my golden rise.
It's a helicopter sound, this. Whoa, nice. Very nice. Ooh, whoa, whoa.
లేదు, పాప ఊహించుకుంటున్నాడు అంతే.
ఇంకేం ఊహించుకుంటాడు?
Wow. These are few scenes I have not seen. Wow. Nice, nice. So good, so good, so good. Amazing, amazingly fantastic, amazing, superb. Okay, so this actually came out, this particular movie trailer, mashup trailer, came out in the year 2018, March 2nd. Amazing. The people, Tom J, if I'm not mistaken, only has 417 subscribers. I guess he has done a really great job by doing this mashup trailer of one is the trailer thing, second is Mission Impossible background music trailer. Absolutely amazing. He took the base of the Mission Impossible trailer and the trailer music, Mission Impossible trailer music, and he then mixed and mashed up all the scenes from the trailer of this particular movie, that is Nanocadine, One Nanocadine. I hope I'm saying Nanocadine or Nanocadine. I'm really sorry if I'm not. And then he made it according to it and absolutely suiting it with all the beats and all the actions of Mission Impossible style with this particular movie. Amazing, absolutely fantastic as always I say. And talking about the movie, I have seen this movie. Yes, the reason I was not that much of surprised is because I have seen this movie in the Hindi dub version actually. The movie is absolutely fantastic. I must tell you, you should really watch this movie if you haven't. This is one of the fantastic movies I've ever come across, and Mahesh Babu, this is what people refer him as. Mahesh Babu and Kriti Sanon has done a really great job, specifically Mahesh Babu, because the thing is that the storyline is so nice that I'll tell you what it is actually, the small gist of it. He's actually an artist, a singer, a musician who does the concerts, and he has this all this things in his mind that some people are trying to kill him because those people have tried to have already killed their parents, and he has this hallucinations that people are going to come after them and they are going to kill him. So he have this imaginary people who is already attending the concerts or attending their home, and he tries to kill everyone over there in his dreams. Mystically or luckily, what happens is what he kills in the parts of the movies. At some incidences, it was not a dream; it was a reality. Those people who he killed was actually in front of them. But what he feels is that he is actually imagining these things. So in the 90% of the movie, it shows that he's imagining, but in that 10% is actually the people over there who are sitting in front of them, and he's actually killed those people. And then the moment he realizes, it was a shock that how it turned out to be. In the end, the whole thing changes to how the person who was considering a good person, but it was not a nice person. I am not going to reveal that thing right now because the movie is absolutely amazing. You should not miss this movie. I highly recommend it because the action is good, the cinematography, the screenplay, the dialogues, the way the whole movie progresses from India to outside the foreign country, and the people who try to make him believe that they are friends, but actually it's not. I have seen this movie and I am telling you, you should not miss this movie. It's absolutely amazing. So this was the particular reaction. I hope you liked it, and I would like to request you to give a big thumbs up to this particular video, so I know that you like my reaction. I would be inspired and motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. I would request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook have been given in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear it from you guys too. So this was the reaction, and I hope you liked it. Also, I would like to ask you that if you have something like this, more of it, I would please do suggest me. I would love to do reaction videos for you guys, no matter what it is. I would love to do reaction videos. This is what I am doing, and this is what I love to do. So please do suggest me at any point of time. But I would like to request you this, that please do have a patience, because everything takes time. Shooting the video, editing the video, uploading the video, everything takes time. It's minimum a 1-day job to create one video from the start, from the scratch till the end, until it reaches you people. So please do have patience. Everything will be delivered at a given point of time, and I have given you timetable, so timetable you'll be able to know that the song is coming. It will be coming on Monday or Thursday. If you have suggested something, you can check it out on those particular days, so it will be great. So I would just like to request you that until the next trailer reaction, next song reaction, next mashup movie reaction, or next review, I would like to request you to stay connected.